Area and perimeter. Area of parallelogram. The area of the parallelogram is equal to the product of its base B and corresponding height h, that is A is equal to BH. Any side of the parallelogram can be taken as the base. Example, find the area of the parallelogram. Solution. In the given figure, base B of parallelogram is equal to 4 units. Height h of parallelogram is equal to 3 units. Area A of a parallelogram is equal to BH. Therefore, A is equal to 4 into 3 is equal to 12 square units. Thus, area of the parallelogram is 12 square units. Area of triangle. The area of triangle is equal to half the product of its base B and height h, that is, A is equal to 1 by 2 BH. Example, find the area of triangle. Solution. In the given figure, base of triangle B is equal to 13 centimeters. Height of triangle H is equal to 6 centimeters. Area of triangle A is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height is equal to 1 by 2 BH is equal to 1 by 2 into 13 into 6 is equal to 39 centimeter square. Thus, the area of triangle is 39 centimeter square. Note, a right angle triangle, two of its sides can be the height. Area of rhombus. The area of rhombus is equal to half the product of its diagonals. That is, A is equal to 1 by 2 into D1 D2. Example, find the area of rhombus ABCD. Solution. In the given figure, length of the diagonal D1 is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Length of the other diagonal D2 is equal to 5.6 centimeters. Area of rhombus A is equal to 1 by 2 D1 D2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 7.5 into 5.6 is equal to 21 centimeter square. Thus, area of rhombus ABCD is equal to 21 centimeter square. Example, the area of rhombus is 216 square centimeters and one of its diagonal is 24 centimeters. Find the other diagonal. Solution. Length of one diagonal D1 is equal to 24 centimeters. Length of other diagonal D2 is equal to D2 centimeters. Area of rhombus A is equal to 1 by 2 D1 D2. 216 is equal to 1 by 2 into 24 into D2. D2 is equal to 216 into 2 whole by 24 is equal to 18 centimeters. Thus, length of other diagonal is equal to 18 centimeters. Circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle and pi is equal to 22 by 7 is equal to 3.14. Example, Find the circumference of a circle with radius 14 centimeters. Solution. Radius of circle R is equal to 14 centimeters. Circumference of circle C is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore, C is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 is equal to 88 centimeters. Thus, the circumference of the circle is 88 centimeters. Rectangular paths. We often come across such walking paths in garden areas. Now we shall learn how to measure the areas of such paths. Example. A path 5 meters wide runs around a square park of side 100 meters. Find the area of the path. Solution. Let PQRS be the square park of the side 10 centimeters. The shaded region represents the 5 meters wide path. Length of AB is equal to 100 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 110 meters. Area of the square PQRS is equal to side square is equal to 100 square is equal to 10,000 meters square. Area of the square ABCD is equal to side square is equal to 110 square is equal to 12,100 meters square. Therefore, area of the path is equal to 12,100 minus 10,000 is equal to 2,100 meters square.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.